So I would like to invite Dr. Sania Sharma, and you need to pardon me for a minute. Okay, Dr. Sania Sharma is there with us, and it gives me immense pleasure to read the profile of Dr. Sania, who says education has a power to transform lives, and she has dedicated herself to making that transformation accessible to many. Dr. Sania Sharma is an educator, researcher, social entrepreneur, and founder of AAIS Learning and Sahyog Samvriddhi Foundation. A recipient of prestigious international honors, she continues to champion education, innovation, and social impact while empowering communities through meaningful and sustainable initiative. Dr. Sania Sharma, warm welcome to the stage of IGC.
Respected dignitaries, fellow entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's afternoon still. Good afternoon, all of you. It is truly an honor to be standing before such an inspiring gathering of visionaries and leaders. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor Dr. Avnashji for giving all of us this wonderful platform to connect, to collaborate. So I would request everyone to give a big round of applause for Professor Avnashji and IGC. So I would like to present my thought about the real meaning of entrepreneurship, creating values beyond business. You know, whenever people ask me about entrepreneurship, the first question is usually, how much investment did you start with? Did you have investors? How did you raise funds? And my answer often surprises them. I didn't begin with investors. I didn't begin with fundings. I didn't begin with any backing. I began with an idea. I began with determination, and most importantly, I began with a purpose. Because I believe that capital may build a business, but purpose build an enterprise that lasts. When I founded ACE Learning, my dream was never simply to run an education company. And I am grateful to say that from the very first month, ACE Learning became a profitable business. Not because profit was the goal, but because creating value was. This whole experience taught me very great lessons about entrepreneurship is, if you constantly create value for others, success naturally flows. Today, ACE Learning has grown into a global organization serving families, business, communities across different countries. We support NRI families around the world, providing quality education to their children, providing them with the future-ready skill as well. At the same time, we work closely with small businesses and growing businesses. Many organizations have brilliant ideas, but they struggle with the executions. So our team support businesses with operations, digital marketing, back-end management, even execution, enabling entrepreneurs to focus what they do best. In fact, behind many successful business events, our dedicated team quietly manages the system and operations. Because success isn't always means standing on the stage. Sometimes it means, supporting those who are really doing well and making them feel shine. Another initiative that is especially close to my heart is empowering women. All of us present here, we all will agree that many talented women take career break because of the family responsibilities. Their talent doesn't disappear. Their potential doesn't disappear. Sometimes they simply need an opportunity to begin with. Through our IT HR trainings program, we help women rebuild their confidence, upskill their grades, and we feel like placing them in some good organization. So we help women across the world to find a better job. So it's like women back to work. However, if there's one initiative that truly represents my heart is the Young Innovator League. Every child is born curious. Children naturally ask questions, they observe problems. And that is exactly why we create Young Innovator League. It is a platform where young minds showcase their talent, their creativity, they build their prototype of business. We give them a platform to showcase their small businesses, and then we call some renowned entrepreneurs, and every year we give award to the young minds as Young Innovator Champion of the Year. So, people ask me, are you trying to create young entrepreneur? And my answer is yes, of course, why not? Because from generation we have been taught that success means clearing some competitive exam or securing a good job. I have no issues with it. That is probably nothing wrong in it. But success should never have only one definition. What if they want to build a company that creates jobs instead of simply looking for one? At the Young Innovator League, we want children to understand that becoming doctor, engineer, teacher is a wonderful job, definitely, but becoming a founder, an innovator, or a CEO is equally important. So be your own boss. My journey of entrepreneur has also taught me another important lesson. Success becomes meaningful only when it creates opportunities for others. And that is what we do. We support underprivileged people through our NGO, Sahyog Samriddhi Foundation. We support the education of underprivileged girl child. We support specially able people. We also support old age homes because dignity and care should never have an age limit. I also have the privilege of serving as a Smile Ambassador of Tau Foundation, and we work for acid attack survivor. So everyone present here, I request you that there is a stall outside and the products are made by acid attack survivors. So I request all of you to please encourage them. Buy even one item for them. This will bring smile on their faces. So today technology is changing, AI is transforming industries, as my colleague already informed us. Jobs are evolving, new opportunities are emerging every day. But despite all these changing, one thing will remain same, that is people, their dreams, their potential. The ability to create meaningful change. That is why I believe that future belongs to entrepreneurs who don't just build companies but build people. Entrepreneurs who don't simply create wealth but create opportunities. So before I conclude, I would like to leave everyone here with a simple invitation. Imagine if every entrepreneur in this room mentored just one young innovator every year. Imagine if every business partnered with one school. Imagine if every organization helped one woman to restart her career. Imagine if every successful entrepreneur shared not only their success but their failure as well. Imagine the impact we could create together, because no single organization can transform the life, but together we can. So, if you believe in empowering young minds, if you believe in supporting women, if you believe in creating meaningful impact in the society, or if you simply believe that business should create value beyond profit, then I warmly invite you to collaborate with us. Let's build partnership that doesn't grow business. Let's build partnership that inspires innovation, empower communities, and transform life. I would like to conclude with a thought that reflects my entire journey of entrepreneurship. A business creates products, a company creates profit, but a true entrepreneur creates opportunities. And the greatest legacy we leave behind will never be the size of our businesses. It will always be the number of lives we have changed and touched. So thank you so much, everyone. It has been an honor to share my journey with all of you. Thank you.